Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility 45 foot by 102 with a universal mounting kit on the back, folks. This unit is very clean. Brand new wood deck. As we take a look underneath, you can see the beams and the joist, how clean they are. Kingpin plate, excellent condition. Beautiful unit, folks. As we come down the passenger side, does have two step-on built in on the side. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Sliding tandem, air ride suspension, brand new rubber, new brakes, aluminum outer rim with a steel inner rim. Folks, universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Give us a call, let us know what you have. If you're looking for a lift, take a look at 99lifts.com or give us a call at 260-238-4998. Brand new rubber, aluminum outer rim, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, brand new wood deck, folks. This unit is very clean. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website at 99lifts.com.